Hi, we are The Million Digital, a real estate marketing specialist working with some of the top realtors in the Toronto and Greater Toronto Area real estate market. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know as a first-time seller. Selling your home can feel overwhelming, but with the right preparation, strategy, and expert guidance, you can maximize your sale and navigate the market with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. Toronto's real estate market is known for its fast pace, but selling a home here requires more than just listing it. You need a solid strategy and an understanding of market trends in your area. A solid strategy is essential because the market can change quickly, and without one, you could face challenges like underpricing or overpricing your home, missing the best time to sell, or failing to attract serious buyers. In a competitive market like Toronto, buyers are well-informed and often compare multiple properties, so it's crucial that your property stands out. A well-executed plan ensures your home sells at the best price and in the least amount of time. So how do you create a solid strategy to sell your home? First, work with a trusted realtor who understands the local market. They will conduct a comparative market analysis to price your home correctly by comparing recent sales of similar homes in your neighborhood. Pricing too high could scare buyers away, while pricing too low might leave money on the table. A realtor helps you find the sweet spot where your home is priced competitively but profitably. Next, timing is everything. Certain times of the year, like spring and fall, tend to have more active buyers. Your realtor will help you decide the best time to list your property based on current market conditions. Listing your home when demand is high can lead to multiple offers, driving up the sale price. Before listing, it's important to ensure your home is in its best possible condition. Small upgrades and repairs can significantly impact your sale price. Let's walk through the key preparation steps. A pre-listing inspection allows you to identify and fix any major issues before buyers see the property. Knowing your home is in good condition builds trust and can reduce the likelihood of surprises during the buyer's inspection, which could cause negotiations to fall apart. Staging is all about showcasing your home's best features. Professionally staged homes tend to sell faster and for more money. Staging helps potential buyers visualize living in the space. This includes rearranging or renting furniture, decluttering, and ensuring the home looks warm and welcoming. Focus on small, impactful repairs. Fix leaky faucets, update lighting fixtures, and touch up paint. Buyers appreciate homes that are move-in ready. While major renovations aren't always necessary, small updates can make your home feel more modern and attractive. First impressions matter. Your home's exterior is the first thing buyers will see, so make sure it looks well maintained. A fresh coat of paint, a clean yard, and even small landscaping improvements can make a big difference. A welcoming entrance sets the tone for the entire home tour. With your home prepared and ready for sale, it's time to market it effectively. In today's digital age, most buyers start their home search online. High-quality photos are essential. In addition to photos, consider creating a professional video tour of your home. Video tours can offer potential buyers a comprehensive look at the property, making it stand out in online listings. If your property has unique exterior features or a large yard, drone footage can highlight these aspects from a new perspective. Aerial shots can provide potential buyers with a sense of the property's surroundings and give a more complete picture of what they're purchasing. Many buyers want to see homes virtually before scheduling a visit. Offering a 3D walkthrough or virtual tour can capture the attention of serious buyers who may be unable to visit the property in person immediately. It's a great way to give buyers a sense of the space and layout without being physically there. Your realtor will create targeted online advertising campaigns through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. These platforms allow for precise targeting based on location, interests, and search behavior, ensuring that your home is seen by serious buyers looking for properties like yours. Once your home is listed, the offers will start coming in. But it's not just about accepting the highest offer. You need to evaluate the entire offer carefully. Look beyond just the price. What conditions are attached to the offer? Are there contingencies like financing or home inspection requirements? A cash offer without contingencies might be more attractive than a higher offer with several conditions. In a hot market, you might receive multiple offers, which can drive up the price. Your realtor will help create a competitive bidding situation where potential buyers compete for your home, often resulting in a better final sale price. If an initial offer doesn't meet your expectations, you can negotiate by sending a counteroffer. This might involve asking for a higher price, fewer contingencies, or a different closing date. Your realtor will guide you through the negotiation process, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Once you've accepted an offer, the final steps begin. Your real estate lawyer plays a crucial role in ensuring everything is legally sound. They'll review the agreement of purchase and sale and ensure that all terms are met. The lawyer will also conduct a title search to make sure the property is free from any liens or legal claims. This step ensures that the buyer can take ownership without any issues. In Ontario, real estate lawyer fees typically range between $1,500 and $3,000. These fees cover the preparation of legal documents, title searches, and handling the funds during the transaction. Your lawyer ensures the transfer of ownership is smooth and compliant with all legal requirements. Before closing, the buyer may request a final walkthrough to make sure the property is in the same condition as when the offer was made. This is your last chance to ensure everything is in order. On the closing day, your lawyer will handle the transfer of funds from the buyer to you, and the property's title will officially be transferred to the new owner. You'll hand over the keys and the deal is complete. Selling your home for the first time can feel daunting, but with the right strategy and expert support, it doesn't have to be. From pricing your property correctly to preparing it for the market, marketing it effectively, and closing the deal, each step is crucial to maximizing your sale. If you're ready to start your home selling journey or need personalized advice, reach out to one of our top-rated realtors. We're here to guide you through every step of the process and ensure a successful sale. Contact us today to get started. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal, financial, or real estate advice. Please consult with a licensed real estate professional, lawyer, or financial advisor to ensure your individual circumstances are addressed before making any real estate decisions.